tired of battling the algorithm and burning hours on camera just to get noticed? Imagine if you could launch your own AI influencer, one that never sleeps, never needs makeup, and never asks for a raise. Introducing Viral Influencer AI, the game changer that's letting digital marketers like me create and sell lifelike human-sounding AI influencers in under 60 seconds. Here's how simple it is. Just pick your niche, drop your idea, and Viral Influencer AI does the rest. It auto-generates scripts, hooks, captions, and even adds ultra-realistic voiceovers, all with zero filming, zero editing, and absolutely no camera needed. Now, you can turn basic concepts into viral reels, shorts, and TikToks in minutes. Want to go faceless? This is your golden ticket. You get influencer-style videos, talking head shorts, trending POVs, all without ever appearing on screen. Need even more reach? Viral Influencer AI auto-captions your clips, boosting watch time and engagement. Plus, it's 100% cloud-based, so there's no learning curve. No editing skills? No problem. And here's the kicker. With a free commercial license, you can sell videos, content bundles, and monthly package to clients, turning simple ideas into recurring income streams. Dominate Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels, all while you sleep. Trends move fast, but with Viral Influencer AI, you'll move faster. Launch as many influencer channels as you want. Build your brand, grow your followers, and boost your sales, without ever recording a single video. Ready to join the influencer revolution? Viral Influencer AI is available now for a one-time launch price. No monthly fees, ever. Don't miss out. Hit the link below, watch Viral Influencer AI in action, and make your first viral video today.